Thanks, Lauren. We're continuing to follow breaking news in McLean County. What's left of a semi-truck fire is blocking southbound I-39 near the Hudson exit.
Allie Reed is on the scene right now and joins us with more. Allie, you've been talking with some folks and you've been speaking with some state troopers just a little bit ago. What are they telling us now?
Well, good morning, Shelby and Mark. So after speaking to state troopers, he did confirm that there are 3 fatalities. And he also said that it had appeared to be a head-on collision. I'm going to step out of the scene for just a second so you can see what I am seeing right now. So the semi-truck, one of them ended up in a ditch. The other one is completely blocking the southbound side of I-39. Now, he said it's going to be quite some time before we see any traffic movement end up back on southbound. So don't expect to be able to travel going southbound anytime soon. Now, I do know that Hudson Fire Department was on scene, as well as Normal Fire Department and Towanda Fire Department. Now, when I do have more updates, I will give you that, but I am working with police to get you the latest, and so when I do have that information, I will keep you guys updated. You can always go to our Facebook page or ciproud.com to get the latest, but for now, live here on I-39, Allie Reed sending it back to you guys in studio.
Thanks, Allie, for following that. And we were just taking a look at some of the footage from earlier that we were getting from Facebook viewers. Some terrible news there.
Yeah, horrific. We'll be sure to follow up on this throughout the day and bring you the very latest.